Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to go through all of the new dresses, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. So these new sneak peek dresses from Free Assembly. It has that high neckline, sleeveless, that seam detail, fit and flare with side pockets, and then the zipper in the back. These are going to be linked down below. And also new from Free Assembly are these denim dresses. So they have the smaller collar, full button, relaxed sleeve. This embroidered floral detail also has a fit and flare, and then the same through the back, and they're $34. Also new denim dress from Time and Tru. So this has the split V Henley buttons, that shoulder detail, gathering on the wrist, relaxed fit with the scoop, and then it has the same fit through the back with that seam detailing, and they're $22.98. So new print in these dresses from Time and Tru. So these have that elastic around the necklines. You can wear it on or off the shoulder, puff sleeves, smocking in the waist, fit and flare. It's a nice kind of stretchy material with the same fit through the back. So it comes in this blue floral. We saw that a few weeks ago. Now it also comes in the same cut in this poplin, in the burgundy floral, and then also in the blue and white floral, and these are $27.98. They also have to match a skirt, so it has the smocking with the eyelet bottom, same fit through the back, and they are going to be linked down below. So new eyelet dresses from Time and Tru. These have that little ruffled trim, the keyhole flutter sleeve, shorter fit through the front and the back, in the white, and they're $24.98. So smock dresses from Time and Tru. These have that high neckline, sleeveless, fit and flare out, in the navy floral. Also comes in this blue stripe. There's a black and beige kind of animal print, and they're $24.98. First of these new dresses from Jessica Simpson. They have this V neckline, puff sleeve. That's what the material looks like up close. Seam detail at the bust, and then flowy through the front, and then there's also smocking through the back. How pretty is that color combination? It also comes in this beige with the pinks and lavender, and they're $38.50. Fit and flare puff sleeve dress from Scoop. So this has the square neckline, that puff sleeve. It's a poplin material, buttons all the way down. They're just for show. I love the little pleating at the bottom, and then the same fit through the back. Also has elastic with the zipper, and it doesn't say. I have a new dress from Free Assembly. This one wasn't online when I shared it in the Free Assembly video, so hopefully it popped up, but it has the smaller collar, full button, fit and flare, same fit through the back, and they're $28. It also comes in that green. How pretty is this eyelet dress from Free Assembly? Has the thin strap, square neckline, embroidering tiers and flowy all the way down. That same fit through the back. Also has the smocking, and the dress is going to be $38. This is from No Boundaries. So these have the thin strap, that V neckline, tie detail, the drop tier, and then squared in the back. In this stripe, also comes in the blue floral, and they're $16.98. New flutter sleeve dresses from Time and Tru. These have that crew neckline, flutter sleeve, super soft and stretchy, relaxed fit. In the navy, also comes in the pink. It's the same fit through the back. So I have these new tank dresses from Time and Tru. They have that higher neckline. It's a longer length with that seam detailing in the back. It's that stretchy swing style material in the solid black, also in the navy and white stripe. They have the beige and the coral, and they're $11.98. So new crochet sets from No Boundaries. So these have that round neckline, the cap sleeve, the double button, the little trim. Skirt is pull on. Has that same kind of little trim. It's also lined through the skirt in the blue, also in the yellow, or pink. And the two pieces are $22.98. So new crochet skirt sets from No Boundaries. So these have the thicker strap, scoop neckline. It is lined on the inside. Has that same scoop through the back. Skirt is pull on, longer length, lines up into the knee portion. in the blue, also in the black, and the 2 pieces are $24.98. Peak dresses from Free Assembly. They have the thicker strap, that squared neckline, seam detail, fit and flare, oversized poplin skirt with the pockets, and then smocking in the back. And they're $34. Also new drop tier dress from Time and True. This one has that higher neckline, the split V with the buttons, has this button detail on the wrist with the drop tier on the belt, and then that same fit through the back, and these are $22.98. Sneak peek dress from Time and True. This one has that V neckline, buttons all the way down, the little flutter sleeve, fit and flare, and then it has that smocky in the back, and they're $24.98. So new mesh dresses from No Boundaries. So these have the thin strap, squared neckline, nice maxi length with the squared back. Comes in the blue, purple, also the coral and pink, and they're $14.98. Also new flutter sleeve dresses from Time and True. So this one has that tie detail, the flutter sleeve, tiers all the way down, seam fit through the back. So we saw this one. Now it also comes in this navy and camel scroll, and they are going to be $19.98. New smock dresses from Free Assembly. So these have the thicker strap, square neckline, smocking through the top, fit and flare. That's what the material looks like up close, and then that same fit through the back. In the blue and white gingham, also comes in the chambray. That's what the blue looks like, and they're $36. My goodness, look, I think this is an online only. How cute. From Free Assembly with the embroidered hearts. Thick strap, square neckline fit, and then flares out. It's really adorable, and they're $36. So new V-neck dresses from No Boundaries. So these have that plunging V cap sleeve. It's super soft and stretchy, longer length with the same fit through the back. In the blue, also comes in black, and they're $10. Also new crochet top dresses from No Boundaries. So these have the thin strap, that crochet, textured material, longer length, and then the same fit through the back with smocking. In the green, also comes in the black, and they're $18.98. No crew neck dresses from No Boundaries. So these are soft, stretchy material. They have that high neckline, cap sleeve, fitted, midi length in the gray, also comes in black. They have this baby pink and the green, and they're $10. Brought back the Time and True tank dresses. So these have a high neckline, sleeveless, the swing style, with the seam in the back. In the blue, the black and white stripe, they have red and solid black, and they're $12.98. And also on sale from Time and True is this high neck dress. It has the double button, the keyhole, elastic in the waist with the drawstring, that drop tier at the bottom, and then the same fit through the back. So these were $22.98. They're now $15.98. Comes in the black, and then also in the burgundy. Also on sale are these dresses from Time and True. So these have that plunging V neckline, ruching through the sleeve, longer length through the front and the back. Dresses from No Boundaries are also on sale in store and online. So they have the thin strap, that plunging V neckline, fit and flares out. I love this color, squared in the back. In store, they're on sale for $11. Online, they're on sale for under $9. They also come in this leopard, regularly $14.98. This is from No Boundaries, majorly marked down online. They're $12.98 in store. These have that squared neckline, fitted through the wrist, longer maxi length in the pink, also comes in black. They're down to under $7. New dresses from No Boundaries. I love these. The material is so soft. It has the scoop neckline so you can wear it on or off the shoulder, elastic under the bust, tiers and flowy all the way down. Comes in the black, also in the ivory, and they're $19.98. Colors in these t-shirt dresses from Time and True. So they have that crew neckline, longer sleeve, fit and flare in the orange and white, also the navy and white. Also have solid or solid gray, the white and black stripe, and solid black, and they're $15.98. New active dresses from Athletic Work. So this is that butter material, has the thick strap, scoop neckline, built-in shelf bra, this little gathered detail on the side, and then the same fit through the back. They have the built-in bike shorts in this black with the burnout, also in the green, and they're $19.98. Also new active skirts from Athletic Works. So these have that elastic soft waistband, this seam detail, the built-in shorts fit and flare in the black, also in the green. They also have that blue color. They're only $10.98. Don't wait on these because they always sell out. New active dress from Birdie Bound. These have this smaller collar, zip until the waist point. How cute is this? And then the seam fit through the back. And this palm print also comes in the blue, and they're $19.98. Also new from Birdie Bound, these little polos. Has this smaller collar, Henley buttons. Seam fit through the back. And this one is $20, and then the skirts to match. They're pull-on with the built-in shorts. In that palm print, they also have this green, and the skirts or skirts are $19.98. And they also have these dresses. Feels like there's something underneath. Oh, there's little shorts. Has the polo with the zip, and the pink also comes in this blue palm print, and those sets are $24.98. And also from No Boundaries are these little eyelet one pieces. So they have the little tie back in the fuchsia. There's blue and green, and they're $19.98. And then they have more colors in these little skirts. So it's like a crochet little skirt cover up. Also now in this fuchsia and the lavender, and those are $13.98. It looks like we're getting prices back. New spring nightgowns from Aria. These have that scoop neckline, smocking, side seam, comfortable fit in this pink floral. They also have the white and blue. There's that blue and white. There's the blue floral, and then that blue and white floral, and they're $15.98. Floral dresses from No Boundaries. So they have the thin strap, the plunging via this tie detail, chiffon material, longer length, and then the smocking in the back. In the pink with the red, also the yellow with the pink, and these are $19.98. Slip dresses from No Boundaries. They have the lace trim, this little tie detail, seam under the bust, longer length, in the leopard, also in the red, the hearts, and these are $10. Long length skirts from No Boundaries. These have the elastic, the little tie, tiers and flowy in the white, also comes in that blue floral, and they'll be linked down below. Sneak peek hoodie sets from No Boundaries. So these have that wrap style front, French terry, the drop sleeve with the ribbed wrist, kangaroo pocket with the bubbled bottom, and then the hood in the back. And then to match, they have these skirts. These have an elastic waistband, the drawstring, built-in shorts that same fit through the back, in the gray, also in the pink, and they're $16.98. They're from Celebrity Pink. They have that sweetheart neckline, elastic, this lace detailing the drop tier, and then the same fit through the back. Also comes in the white, and they are going to be, I think they're $20.50. These pleated skirts match back. So they have that banded waist with the built-in shorts in the white and the black. Because I looked everywhere for, oh, they had the red shirt that matched back to these, but I think they don't have a polo that matches back to that. And they're $15. So new fitted jackets with the matching skirt or short. So these have that mock neckline, side seam fitted through the wrist, the zippered pocket, seam fit through the back in the light blue. They also have taupe black and green, and they're $34. To match, they have these, oh wait, no, it is a skirt with the built-in shorts, a side pocket, how cute, and all of those colors. And the skirt is $20. We also have a polo with the matching skirt from Reebok. So this one has the smaller collar V neckline, that embroidered little Reebok relaxed fit in the blue. There's also black, and they are $24. Skirts to match have the elastic waistband with the logo, pleating with the bike shorts built in the blue, also in that black with the white. trim, and those are $24. New colors in this dress from Time and True. So this one I've said square neckline, the puff sleeve, seam detail, flowy skirt, and then the tie in the back. They had this style a couple times last year. I picked it up in that purple. It was for, I guess it was like for early spring or winter. And these are $24.98. They also have this red floral. I think we saw that one. We also saw the blue and white, and then they have this black. Oh no, that one's new too. They only have a white skirt. So this one has the button zip, side pocket, that same detail, built-in shorts with the pockets on the back, and those are $24.98. How pretty is this new top from Free Assembly? It has the little tie, elastic, that scallop trim, eyelet through the whole front, and then the same fit through the back, and they're $26. Also, new color in this dress. I also shared this one in the Free Assembly video, but they only had this print online, which we didn't see. We saw the plaid. So they have the thicker straps with the square neckline, the belt, and then it's flowy. The back has the smocking. So hopefully they added the plaid, but this is the only print they have online. And the dresses are $36. But how pretty is that? Brought back the rompers from Avia in some really good colors. So they have the scoop neckline, banded waist, flowy skirt. I picked this one up in the red last year. I still have it. That same crisscross back. I think by the time I shared it, they were completely sold out. So don't wait on these. By the time spring rolls around, everything is gone. So they have black, green, the blue, purple, and pink, and they're $25. So I have a new long dress from Avia. So this one has that high neckline. That's what the material looks. It's called Feather Stretch. And then a windbreaker skirt. Racer back in the black. Also comes in that taupe color. And the dresses are $25. And they have little nightgowns in those prints. Thin strap, Henley buttons, squared in the back from No Boundaries. In the yellow floral, there's gray and blue. Also new dresses from No Boundaries. These have the thin strap, that scallop trim, drop tier, squared in the back in this blue color. And they're $19.98. How good are these scarf prints? They're like very Diane von Furstenberg in the green. There's a stripe, they're $5.97. And then they also have in that stripe this little sarong. Also comes in this print. And those are $17.98. And in the video, thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.